Hi, I am Zubair Ali. I have 10 years of IT experience in middleware administration. I expertise in Oracle WebLogic Server, IBM WebSphere Application Server, IBM WebSphere MQ Server Administration and JBoss Application Server. I have done many training programs for Verizon, Virtusa, Mphasis, Infosys and Wipro. So let us go for a small presentation about the IBM WebSphere Application Server training. By doing this training, any system admin come a Java developer can get a middleware administration knowledge. So what is meant by IBM WebSphere Application Server? It's a middleware. Middleware means server. It's a server which is a Java based J2EE application server which is used to develop, deploy and run the enterprise applications. Enterprise applications means business applications. What type of business applications means online banking, online shopping, online insurance and telecommunication applications. So IBM WebSphere is a Java based J2EE application server where it can understand only Java and Java based J2EE applications. So here the IBM WebSphere application server administration training, in the sense that one we call it as a production environment. So you can see in this diagram, this is a very small real-time production environment where we can implement the WebSphere server for our business applications. So in this diagram, let us discuss how the WebSphere is implemented. Always the J2EE based middleware, that means the IBM WebSphere application servers, are implemented in Unix based platform. That may be Unix or Linux or Solaris or AIX. So in this diagram you can able to see this is a Linux platform where I am going to take 4 machines in my locations: Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi, Chennai, where all the 4 machines are Linux machines. In the Linux machines I am going to install the IBM WebSphere application server, and in Hyderabad machine I am going to install a WebSphere network deployment server. There we have a facility called cluster. Under that cluster where all the other IBM WebSphere application servers are grouped, network. If as a admin, if I deploy the application under the cluster, that application will run in all the IBM WebSphere application servers which is running under the 4 locations. How a end user can access? A end user who is going to a browsing center, opening the browser and is typing www.icicibank.com, the request will be filtered via network firewall. Through the internet connection it will comes to the DNS server. In the DNS server it will validate whether the so and so domain name www.icicibank.com is registered or not. If yes, from there the request will comes to the HTTP server. This HTTP server will receive the request, sent to the WebSphere network deployment server cluster. From there the request will be goes to any one of the app server. There my business application will be, that may be any type of banking application that is developed in Java and deployed under the WebSphere, that will receive process by connecting to the database. So in this way only the WebSphere production environment will be implemented. In order to implement this one, by this training, any candidate can get a knowledge on installation, configuration of WebSphere application server, creating a cluster, deploying the application, configuring the security, after that monitoring the performance of the WebSphere application server, tuning the performance and troubleshooting the issues happening in the WebSphere application server.